right. The boat is redone. What do you think, Cameron?
Looks great, man. Excited for summer.
Yeah, it turned out real good. Let me give you a full tour here. We are anchored up here out in the Chesapeake Bay. But yeah, here it is. This is the boat. Pretty cool. It turned out awesome. So you will see a lot of content coming this summer, hopefully. I got the engine running right, I think. I probably still need some carburetors, but it's looking good. Got my little fillet station. All the seats are framed up and everything. Look how good the engine turned out, though. Pretty sweet. I'm very pleased. But yeah, that's about it. I'm probably gonna do a full cost breakdown with this thing. But yeah, stay tuned. Around here, about to hit the collapse Francis Scott Key Bridge. Woo! We're getting sprayed. It's a relatively long day, but it's a small boat. What do you think, Cameron? What are your thoughts? Power plant over there. Oh, wow, that's crazy. Look at the remnants over there. That's nuts. Wow. Huh? Oh! Wow, this is crazy.
Alright, that's going to be it for this one, guys. I really appreciate you watching through to the end. Remember to slap that like button and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications if you want to see more.